Welcome, here I've got Listo SP50 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location text at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are on standard photo mode. Now we have to tap to this button at the center above the shutter, so we get access to more modes of this camera, and also this button from the left, so let's pick it to open the advanced camera settings. And here we have the save location option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. This option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how it looks like. Now we have to tap to the info button here. And as you can see, we get access to the location with map and a full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.